What the? Where'd it go? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Finally, the transmission is gone. I've got a really cool video coming for you guys on the transmission. I took it to a shop today. We got it tore down. We pretty much know the failure, the cause of the transmission breaking, and I just put a deposit on ordering some parts. So hopefully we're gonna get the transmission fixed up soon, but you guys will see the video on that coming up really soon in a few days. You'll get to see the breakdown of the transmission, see the inside of the transmission, pretty much how did the clutches look, the hubs, drums, everything, and you'll see that all in the next video, and we'll talk about it moving forward. But anyways, we are working on, not on the Mustang today, we're working on the truck. I had a part that I ordered for the truck like 6 months ago. Not 6 months ago, but it really was like 3 months ago. And it came in not too long ago, and I just haven't had time to put it on the truck. But let me show you guys what it is. So here is the part number for everyone that's about to ask me what the part number is. There it is. Don't ask me again. So if you guys have been keeping up to date with my truck, honestly, I haven't done much to it. I tinted the windows, blacked everything out, did some 35s, did some aftermarket 20-inch wheels, and I took the front air dam off because on these 2020 F250s, they are rather large. So I took it off, and honestly, if you're not looking for it, you don't notice it, but we'll show you the truck here in just a second. But there's like a little metal trim piece at the bottom, and it's got all the hardware on it, and you can see it, and it kind of looks ugly. But honestly, recently I haven't noticed it, so I thought about not even putting this on, but it finally came in after being on back order for like 3 months because everyone's been ordering these. Typically, people just order like the two-wheel drive version, but since Ford released the Tremor version this year, the Tremor one looks really nice. So this is actually the front valence piece off of a Tremor F250, and you can get these directly from Ford, but everyone wanted to order them, so mine just barely came in a few weeks ago. So we're gonna take this out and we're gonna get it put on the truck today. It's so funny how this little $80 piece of plastic, super flimsy, but will change the look of your truck. If you guys haven't seen it, I'm gonna put a picture of a 2020 up right now, and then put a picture of a Tremor next to it. But this literally makes your truck look lifted, and you make sure you keep your hardware because this does not come with hardware. So you guys can see, this is that little metal lip I was talking about. And honestly, I don't even notice anymore because I just don't pay attention to it. But when I first took off the air dam that was here, it really bothered me. So obviously the Tremor just cleans that up super nice. So we're gonna toss that on just real quick. So we got it on there. Cleaned it up super nice. Man, I never get tired of the front end of this truck. As you can see, finally got the first oil change. Truck's got like 7,300 miles, so finally got the first oil change on the F250, 13 quarts of oil. See, I always do the oil change on the Mustang. I don't let anybody touch the Mustang, but for my daily driver, tow vehicle, I just take it to the dealership. It's easy. It was like $100, no big deal, which is actually really cheap. Typically, diesel oil changes are freaking expensive. So guys, with the Mustang being down, I do have a few things I kind of want to do to the truck. They actually just released the tuning for the 2020 F250s. So they've been working on it since like January, I think, before I even got the truck. And finally they released the tuning. The only problem with these 2020 F250s and F350s is you have to actually remove the computer and send it off to get unlocked. Kind of like a Hellcat. So that's the only problem. There's no like bench unlocking with these ECUs, so that would be my only main concern, plus obviously the warranty. But I think with this truck I really do want to tune it actually. So I've been averaging like 15 to 16 miles per gallon around town, and then like 17 to 18 on the highway, which is pretty good considering it's got 35s on it, and we live in windy ass Amarillo, where the wind will kill your gas mileage here. So the truck's been doing pretty well. I'm really happy with it. Honestly, I haven't done that much with the truck. I ceramic coated it, did the wheels and tires, tinted it, and just a couple minor things here and there. But I really wanted to keep it stock, essentially, just because it is my daily driver and it's my tow vehicle, and so I can't really afford for anything to go wrong with it. But with them releasing the tuning and these trucks already being like super fun to drive around town, this thing's pretty quick. Comment down below if you still want to see the Ram versus the Ford video, because I will tell you, this thing is a lot quicker. But I still, like, once they released the tuning, I was like, man, maybe I should do it. So I don't know, it's still on the, still in my brain. Still don't know if I want to do it or not. But they do have the tuning available. Might do like a 5-inch exhaust, delete some stuff, something like that. I don't know yet. You guys comment down below what you think I should do. I kind of just want to keep it stock and keep it nice and quiet. But these things are so fun to drive around. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that super short video. Tons of stuff coming on the Mustang now that we got the trans off and torn apart. Like I said, the next video you see, you're really gonna want to see it because we can actually see the teardown of the actual transmission. I got to go in there and watch them tear it down, and it's super cool to see it. I didn't realize how much goes into it and how fast you can actually tear these Turo 400s apart. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys think of the F250. I will say this truck is by far my most favorite vehicle I've owned. With the 10-speed, this thing rides so awesome and smooth. And honestly, I do have a leveling kit for the truck. I just honestly haven't put it on because I really don't want to ruin the ride of the truck. But I may do that in the future. So I do have one, I just haven't put it on. But I kind of want to put it on just to make a video about it, and then hopefully I like it. But it doesn't look that bad with just the wheels and tires and no lift kit. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that super short video. I will see you guys on the next one. Sorry, I just don't have much time to make videos right now, so I'm trying to make videos as quickly as I can. But I'm making time. Things are starting to slow down a little bit at the gym, so I'm going to make some more time for some YouTube content. And I'll see you guys on the next one.